Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are gonna see what is bubble sort. Okay, what is bubble sort with real-time examples and what is mean by this sorting and all. Okay, without any delay, let's start the video, guys. Have a good learning. So guys, if you carefully observe here, the example I took, that is nothing but 54312. So the logic is very simple. You know, first let me explain. These two numbers will be compared, guys. Okay, 5 and 4 will be compared. Obviously 5 is greater than 4, right? Okay, I want to make them the elements in ascending order, so 5 is greater than 4, right? So obviously it will be swapped. 4. Okay, it's better to write only. Okay, 4, 5, and remaining all will be same, like 3, 1 and 2. Okay guys, so and after that again I am gonna swap, because this 5 and 3 will be compared. Okay, 5 and 3 will be compared, and as usually we will get swapped, because guess why? Because 5 is greater than 3, so swapping has been done, guys. Okay, now again we are gonna swap, because the next two elements 5 and 1 will be swapped, because 5 is greater than 1. So as usually, so here 4 will be same, 3 will be 3 will be same, 1, 5 and 2, correct, right? So again we are gonna compare the next two elements. Okay, whether 5 is greater than 2. Yeah, obviously it is true. So again the elements will be swapped. Guys, before okay, before going to know, there will be passes. Okay, there will be passes in bubble sort. For example, how many elements are there? Please make a note, guys, if you want to learn this. Number of elements are there, those are nothing but 5, right? So as usually, so we are going to check number of passes. Okay, number of passes will depends on number of elements. Let it be like, okay, number of elements, that is nothing but n, right? So here n minus 1 we are going to check, so n minus 1. Okay, so n minus 1, that is nothing but as usually 5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, that will be equals to what? 4. So there will be 4 passes. Okay, I will prove or I will explain how. Okay guys, so this is one pass, what we have seen, right? So this will be called as the first pass. Okay, and the second thing, if you want to know, means, so we are gonna take the last thing, that is nothing but 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. So we will compare again. We will compare these two, 4 and 3. Whether 4 is greater than 3. Yeah, 4 is greater than 3. So we are gonna take again. Okay, or else we can say it, the array will be swapped again, or sorry, the elements will be swapped. 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 5. Okay guys, and guess what? I will move forward, because it will take time to explain all these things. So along with me you can also do it. Okay, we will compare the next 3, so it will be like, it will be again swapped, that is nothing but 3, 2, 4, 1 and 5. So the next elements will be swapped because 4 and 3, sorry, 4 and 1, 4 is greater than 1. So again 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And if you carefully observe here, particularly 4 and 5 will be not swapped because 4 is not greater than 5. Okay, this will be our second pass. Second pass. Now we are going to go for third pass. And what are all the elements we got in the final array or final pass? Those are nothing but 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5. So obviously first 3 and 2 will be compared. 3 and 2 will be compared. So 2 will come. So it will take time to draw, guys. That's why hope you guys understand. So, and again I will explain, no problem again. Okay. And again 3 and 1 will be compared. So 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, sorry, 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5. So after that, then 2, 1 will be same, and 3, 4, 5 also will be same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wait guys, wait for a second. I got some doubt. That is nothing but here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 inner loops, and here also 4 inner loops. Then why here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So that is the thing. Pause the video and think. Okay, guys, nothing happened there. I just rewrite that. Okay, the number of passes will be same. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hope you guys understand, right? There are how many passes in the first pass? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just I rewrote that. Okay, and I wrote here only, here also. That's all. So guys, um, before going to do that, or before going to the last pass, I would like to say one thing. See guys, this is very important to be noted. For each and every time, the one element will be settled at the correct position. Okay, 5 settled, and in the second iteration 2 elements has been settled. Okay, 4 and 5, and in the third 3, 4, 5, 3 elements has been settled. So for each and every pass, the element, at least one element will be placed in its correct position. So by this we can say elements are bubbled, like going to their correct places. That's why the name came as bubble sort. Okay, hope you understand, guys. So for the final thing or the final pass, here it is ours. Finally we got it after a long time, right? Just joking. So sorry guys, before going to go do that, I'm gonna take this. Okay, 3 and 2. Okay, 2 they are swapped, so it becomes 2, 3. So next elements will be compared. 3, 1, so again swapped, so 3, 4 will be compared. Yeah, it is done. So after that, no need to get swapped because they are in correct position only. So okay, finally, and now we are gonna take this last array in last pass. Okay, that is nothing but 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5, right? Guys, if you carefully observe here, 2 is greater than 1, so obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Guys, if you think we got the correct answer, so the logic will end here. No, it will continuously do the number of passes we give. So remaining again So 1 will be compared. See, I will make you explain. So here also these two also will be compared, okay, but we are not done it. So number of iterations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here how many happened? Only one happened. So here also these two will be compared, and after that, okay, after that these two will be also compared, and these two will be also compared, but the output will be same, okay, because we get the array. So this is the logic of bubble sort. So if you ask me, write a little bit code, okay. First I will write here, okay, what is the code and all, and in the future videos, sorry, in the upcoming 10 minutes we are going to see. So we need for a for loop, right? So it should start from I equals to 0, okay, just like a brief introduction. So how many passes? N minus 1 passes, okay, and the second one also inner loop will be there, correct, right? Inner loop will be there. This is will be also like a same. It will start from 0 and ends to n minus 1, just like a briefly explanation I am giving, okay. And also we will take a if condition whether the next element, okay, is greater than the present element present element, then only we will do what? Swap, okay. This is the logic, guys. Let's do it practically in VS Code. Guys, here now we are gonna try with Java, okay. We covered bubble sort with Python, so it's time to learn Java bubble sort. So as usually I created an array with 1 2 3 4 5. So let it be like I will make it for like 5, as usually 4, then 2, after that 3 and 1, okay. It's up to you what elements you are gonna take, okay. Now we need a outer for loop, right? So for int I will be starts from 0 and it will end to what, guys? Make a guess. Array dot length, right? Length minus 1, okay. And after that it will be incremented by step. Okay, what about the inner for loop? Inner for loop, same. Int j equals to 0 and that particular j will be less than array dot length minus 1, okay. And after that that particular j will also will be incremented, and after that pass the video and make a guess, guys, okay. I'm gonna check with if condition. So that particular present number is greater than or not when compared to the next number, okay. Sorry. And if it is greater than, then we need to introduce, okay, let's check with that normally, okay. Array of j plus 1, okay, let it be like array of j comma array of j plus 1, both will be swapped. Array of j plus 1 and array of j. Guys, if you carefully observe, it is showing some red in mark color. So if I place the cursor here, syntax error on token. So what happens means we can't able to do that, this statement, the 10th line statement, we can't able to do it because in Python we can do. It is not available here. So in that case, we will take the help of temporary variable assigning with j, okay. And j will be assigned with what? With the next number, right? Okay, and the next number will assigned with temporary variable, okay. This is how swapping works. So that's why, sorry, not array of j, temp, right? Okay. Now we will check whether we are getting correct output or not by not directly using system.out.print arr. It will not work in Java. So we are gonna take for int x. Okay, it is an integer type, so I mentioned here int. So in which array? In arr. Okay, and after that I am going to print that system.out.print, sorry, error it took, out print. Okay, I will print the particular element, and after that space I want double space. Okay, let me check whether this correct sorry, this code is working correctly or not. I clicked on run. You can say activating environment. Yeah, it is still working. Java ready. Why guys, why it is not printing anything? It usually happens for some time. Yeah, you can see some error is there. Main Java 7 is the error it is showing. So expectations unresolved compilation problem. Length cannot be resolved. Is it, or is it not a field? What the meaning of that? Actually I used the length, right? Why it is not taking? Okay, guys, make a guess. I saw what is the problem, but make a guess. Do you think this spelling is correct? Length. So small beginner's mistake, right? Length and H. Okay. Yeah, I think it will work now. Let's see. First, I will clear this for your understanding purpose. Wait, guys. Why it is not? Okay, we will run this. We will see what's happening in this. Wait, guys. You can see. Yeah, finally we got the output. Where it is? Hope you saw that, guys. Okay, for your understanding purpose I will rerun the code. Yeah, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. If we have some duplicates also it will work. For example, 4 1 3. Okay, we will check whether we are getting the output, correct output or not. Yeah, we are getting 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 5. Yeah, hope you guys understand. If you have any doubts you can comment in the comment section. Okay, and thanks for watching guys. Thanks for your support. Keep learning. Have a good learning guys.